Hi guys, welcome to my channel. A memorable incident of my life. It was very chilly winter evening and I was coming back home from my office. Suddenly, I saw a beggar in our street. He was shivering with cold. I felt pity for him. I gave him my old clothes and shawl. He told that he had not eaten anything for 3 days. I gave him food to eat. He was very happy. He prayed for me. I got a spiritual joy. It became a memorable incident of my life. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.